Doesn't this trail end kind of unceremoniously? It just ends at the road and then there's the parking area? Yeah. I think when you look on the map, you can see there's, at least on, who knows how long that was made, but there's still railroad tracks there. That's why we need outriggers on our bikes that run us on the railroad tracks, like that guy out in California. That was a nicely built machine. A lot of engineering went into that. Yeah, it's a one of a kind. He built that.
Well, the thing with a car is you got to bring the car to the car. You can drive them out.
Well, like now, it ends, well, if you know it's a dead track, you can tell it. You look at it, if it's all rusty, it ain't used. Yeah, and fold up. Yeah, I can. Yeah. I know, with some wheels on it. You could use roller skate wheels. Get them at Goodwill. Put some new bearings in them. I've gotten a lot of bearings from buying a roller skate at Goodwill. A lot of the 3D projects use that size bearing. I think we're at the end of the trail. Yeah. You want to stop here and chug some warm soup?
Yeah, that'd be okay. Hey,
Which table?
do you think that do slack?
What?
You want to check out the park?
Check out what?
There's a park.
There's no park.
There's a park there.
But I guess you can, they have extended it.
No, it's not.
No?
Thing, but it's just like.
Because they have stop signs from both directions here.
Yeah, that is. I don't even finish that trail yet. I don't know. You can ride along here.
I see black along there. I can't tell. Like it's asphalt.
Gravel. It may be just packed down.
Well, we can go to the top of this road here and take a look better from
You
the.
can go down there and then make a right on the first street and then come around. You come back on the same
No,
way.
you can't go right over here.
That's why, maybe. I saw on the map, it's a road kind of like they just finished putting the gravel in.
Well, my reasoning is, you see, there's a stop sign for coming this way, on the other side of the road.
Yeah.
So people must be coming from that way.
Yeah, that part's not open. It's not. That means go on the street. There's a shoulder there.
Well, then you wouldn't need a stop sign on the other side. I'm gonna go look.
Just around half a mile on the other side, then just you park and we'll come back to you.
Oh, it does turn. Where does it go? That way.
That goes around.
Oh, there's a far. How far?
Pardon me?
How far? Okay, I want to tell you why.
About an hour.
That's what I want to tell you about. On the left here. Oh, cool, we get to go in the out. I like going in the out. We're going in the out. I like that. I do it in parking lots all the time. Are we going up there? Or are we going to get out of the wind? Okay, I'll follow you. This was your idea. Only to drive in. You're not driving. You're not an authorized vehicle, are you? We're not vehicles. First in Wisconsin, I don't know. Well, there's picnic tables. There's some in the sun over there. We don't have to do anything but drink out of our thermos. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I gotta turn this off first. Too easy to have it. Oops. And I have to pause. Yeah, screw it. Okay. Can't do this. Here we go. If I could reach the kickstand, I could put the kickstand down. I think I put it on this side. You know, I put in a little tin in with the lunch stuff. It wouldn't work here. Oh, I did. I put magnets for our napkin. We have just drink out of the thermos today, but like when we were at Independence, for if we come across the metal ones, yeah, I put some neodymium magnets, a little.
I think they can work a picnic for you on all kind of stuff.
That too, but no, I brought push pins also. Push pins.
Oh, yeah, but it wouldn't.
Yeah. Not that you don't set stuff down on top of it, but pretty soon you can't even take a drink. You're trying to keep your stuff in place. What I was trying to tell you about the about an hour thing, It's 2:30. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not getting early, but it's getting late too.
Right, well, it's,
1 hour ride back.
but it's where we're parked. If they close, they might start having an issue, see? But there is no gate in that part, so if it was a hospital, it wouldn't matter. Am I in the way?
I'm going to set this camera so it stays set. This will look like it before. I'm going to keep it like this.
There's so much crap in these cameras, the phones. Oh my gosh. But back in the day, what would we do? We'd have to look for a telephone booth, huh? But they were all over. There'd be one on the wall here.
What happened?
No, I said, back in the day, we'd be looking for a telephone booth. But I said, there'd probably be one on the wall here. They were everywhere.
Well, before it was a booth, and later they just got a little...
Well, you know...
yeah, I know what you mean. I like it with a booth.
A payphone. I guess the term is payphone.
Yeah. I like... The thing about a booth is, in a rainstorm, you got a place to go in.
Yeah. Or if you got to get into your superhero costume.
Yeah.
Or travel time and space. Okay.
That was a funny one. And then maybe you can go in the alley. That's how it got.
Oh yeah. I'm going over.
All right.
I have a hard time getting off this way, but it's easier getting on, and I got a thing to put on here so I don't scratch it up.
Okay.
So no, I'm good. Well, I can get on, no problem. It's getting off.
Be good?
Yeah, we're good. I follow you.